This Paramount Homes Real Estate Company property video is presented by Debbie Maxey. Beautiful home in Chisholm Creek Village. 3-bed 2-bath, office and open floor plan on a large corner lot. Backyard is cozy with an air-conditioned she shed and Tiki bar with fire pit. Master bedroom has a large master bathroom. Extra wide hall and doorways and beautiful tile floors. Garage has built-in shop area and plenty of space for the extra freezer. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Maxey at 580-237-6200.